Tonight on Survival Cooking, I'm making hot chocolate. I've put 2/3 of a cup of water in the microwave for 2/3 of my normal 3 minutes for heating up a cup in my microwave. So after that gets done, I'm going to put the Swiss Miss into it and stir it up. Okay, there's the mix in the cup, and I'm using a fork because I'm going to be using a fork later on and why get two things dirty instead of one. Okay, why did I put 2/3 of a cup of water in here? Well, I wanted it to get good and hot so that the chocolate would dissolve, and then I wanted to fill up the rest of the cup with water. And that'll cool it down a little bit so I can drink it faster, sooner. So you could do this with milk, but when you have survival cooking, you usually don't have milk. So that's it. Hot chocolate. Good on a night with all this snow outside. Look at this outside. It's snowy as snow. Okay, so hot chocolate, very good survival cooking. Good night.